Wait, are you an anime editor? And still struggling with bad quality issues? You've already watched tons of videos, but didn't find anything useful, right? So why worry anymore? When Weird is here. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all fine and fit today. And in this video, I'm going to give you the best CC for anime edits. So before we end this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any editing tutorials. And if you want to create hard shakes in CapCut just like me and level up your anime edits, then watch the video on your screen right now. I've explained everything step by step. See you in the next one. Keep editing and stay creative.